Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Jonathan Coates, and this day's free AI training is a bit impromptu and it's going to be a quick little overview. I want to talk about Lexica, which is a stable diffusion search engine that allows you to use uncopyrighted images, and also you can explore the style. So if you see something you like, this is the home page right here, and at the very bottom you see all these images down here. If you click on any one of them, you actually get the prompt for that. So you can copy that prompt, you can copy the URL if you want, you can actually download the image. And if you want more stuff like this, you can explore the style. Now, unless you know what the model is, like Lexica Arbitrary, that's what it's powered by, version 3.5, and then you can get the dimensions. So all you really got to do is just put a prompt in here, or you can search for what it is that you're trying to find, and you can use these. They're like royalty-free images. So it's essentially just a stable diffusion search engine, which is really helpful. Now, if you actually want to generate images, you'll have to subscribe. So I have a document here. It goes up, it's really quick. I'm just going to run through this real quick, and I'm going to share this in the description as well for your reference. Lexica is pretty cool, and I really like the use cases here, and they're very realistic and detailed. It's extremely impressive what they have generated, and they even tell you, like I said, the prompt. So you can, if for any reason you don't want to use Lexica, you can take the same exact prompt and go to a different search engine or a different model that generates images. Because, it is $8 for the starter plan. And then for the pro plan, it's $24 a year. That's the yearly, and $10 plan for a month if you want a pro plan. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go back to home. And as you can see, if you click on generate, it'll say subscription required. And then over here, you can actually edit it. So you can edit the dimensions just like so. And when you do generate a image, you have the option to switch between slow and fast. And they give you more ideas if you click on this drop down right here. And then you can even look at your own history. So basically anything that you have generated yourself or possibly searched and saved, it'll come up right here in the histories, and anything that you click like on. Because if you go to home real quick and then scroll down, any one of these you can just click like and it'll show up. But as you can see, these are very realistic and extremely impressive. It reminds me of that website. At least some of these remind me of that website, thispersondoesn'texist.com. Let me just show you real quick. Now, although this is an entire different model, style GANs, every time you click on refresh, you'll get another AI generated image. And as you can see, these look extremely real. The closer you look, the more you're able to see flaws, but they're getting really good at generating these. So that's what this reminds me of when I see these pictures here on Lexica. And you can just search the search bar for more than just the realistic kind of photos. You can look for anime, any type of style. This looks like something from Hey Waldo. So I just want to share this document with you here. Well, I'm going to go ahead and start at the very top. Whether you're brand new to the world of AI generated art or just exploring your options, this tutorial is going to help you to get started. Lexica is a tool that uses stable diffusion to generate high quality images quickly, and it allows you to create artwork without worrying about copyright restrictions. So how to get started with Lexica? To begin, all you gotta do is just go to the website as I've shown you. Once there, you click on Get Started button right here. So on the main page before you log in, because I'm actually logged in right now, they'll have a Get Started button, and then it'll have you log in. And that'll be at the upper right corner of the page. You can sign in, use your email address or a Google account. After logging in, you'll notice several options at the top of your dashboard. You got home, generate, history, likes, and account. These are the main features that you're gonna be using to navigate the site. And then browsing and finding inspiration. Lexica allows you to search through a wide array of images that have been created by other users. So if you see an image that catches your eye, you can click on it to view for more details, such as the description, model settings, and other parameters used to create it. You can save your favorite images by clicking the like button, which will store them in your likes section for easy access. And then creating your own images. The core feature of Lexica is its image generation capability. To start making your own image, click on the Generate tab. Here, you'll be prompted to provide a description of the image that you want to create. The more detailed your description, the better the results. And you can also specify what elements to exclude by using the negative prompt. And after you're done, click Generate to produce several images based on your input. From there, you can download the images, make variations, or you can refine them to match your vision. And then the subscription options, I was saying the Starter, Pro, and Max, these plans differ mainly in the number of images that you can generate each month and whether your images remain public or can be kept private. Higher tier plans offer faster image processing and the ability to generate multiple images at once. And final thoughts, that's a quick overview of how to use Lexica Art. It's a fantastic tool for anyone looking to explore the world of AI generated images, whether that be for fun or professional use. And as you can see, these can have a lot of different applications and use cases. So be sure to check this out. I'll have it in the description. And if you like content like this, then I definitely recommend that you subscribe to the channel. I talk about everything when it comes to generating traffic, increasing sales, artificial intelligence and automation, copywriting tutorials, search engine optimization, email marketing, affiliate marketing strategies, sales and closing, objection handling. Be sure to take a look at the tools and the resources below. I have everything that I included in this video, from the document as well as lexica.art. And I'll also have this learn prompting guide. It's a bit of a bonus. And as well as this website, this person does not exist. All right, so that'll be in the description as well as the pinned comment. And also check out my AI checklist, where it teaches you how to boost efficiency and your creativity. It's completely free. You can have it accompany you as you're going about your artificial intelligence and automation strategy. All you gotta do is put your name and your email address in, and it'll get sent right to your inbox. All right, so with that said, I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video. See you then.